Today, we're diving into the world of meditation and sharing 5 essential tips to enhance your meditation experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned practitioner, these tips will help you deepen your practice and reap the benefits of meditation. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Find the right environment. Your surroundings play a crucial role in your meditation practice. Look for a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a cozy corner in your home, a park, or even a dedicated meditation room. Make sure the area is comfortable. Consider using cushions or mats to sit on. The goal is to create a space that feels inviting and calming, allowing you to focus inward without distractions. Tip number 2. Set a clear intention. Before you begin your meditation, take a moment to reflect on what you want to achieve. Are you looking to reduce stress, enhance focus, or improve your mood? Setting an intention gives your practice direction and purpose. You might even want to write it down or say it out loud. This simple act can help anchor your mind and keep you focused during your session. Tip number 3. Experiment with different techniques. Meditation isn't one size fits all. There are various styles, including mindfulness meditation, loving-kindness meditation, body scans, and even walking meditations. Try out different techniques to see what resonates with you. For instance, if you find it hard to sit still, a walking meditation might be more suitable. If you prefer guidance, consider using apps or online resources that offer structured sessions. Remember, the key is to find what works best for you and your goals. Tip number 4. Focus on your breath. Breath is a powerful anchor in meditation. When you sit down to meditate, start by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to expand, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you meditate, keep your attention on your breath. Notice the sensations of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, and it will, gently guide your focus back to your breath. This practice not only helps you stay present, but also calms your nervous system. Tip number 5. Be patient and consistent. Meditation is a skill that takes time to develop. Don't expect immediate results. Instead, focus on building a regular practice. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Consistency is key. Whether it's 5 minutes or 30, the important thing is to make meditation a part of your daily routine. Over time, you'll likely notice improvements in your mood, focus, and overall well-being. Meditation is a personal journey, and everyone's experience is unique. By incorporating these tips into your practice, you can create a more enriching and fulfilling meditation experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your meditation experiences in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and I'll see you in the next video.